Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Handcrafted. My name is Denise Yesbach-Moore with handcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my sea and sand earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers, a beaded head pin, an eye pin, an ear wire, 4mm jump ring, 10 links of oval chain, freshwater pearls. We have large ovals and smaller ovals, a little starfish metal charm, 3mm round spacer beads, and 22 gauge wire. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads, along with printable PDF instructions, can be found on handcraftcollection.com. Search sea and sand earrings. Grabbing a beaded head pin, we are going to string our starfish down to the end. We're going to bend our wire to the side, cut off that little end, picking up our round nose pliers. We are going to form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. Cut a 3 to 3.5 inch length of 22 gauge wire, and we are going to form a simple loop at the end of the wire. I'm just bending that wire down, grabbing my round nose pliers, and I'm just rolling the wire towards me to create a simple loop. I just strung 2 freshwater pearls, a 3mm spacer, my little dangle, 3mm spacer, and 2 freshwater pearls. Coming over to the other side, we're going to make sure those beads are nice and tight. Bend our wire down, trim off that little end, grabbing our round nose pliers. We are forming a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. Now we are going to bend the wires upward into a V. I'm going to come back in holding each side and do a little twist so that the loops are facing the right way. String 4 freshwater pearls. We're using the tiny size. We're going to form a simple loop. Bend that wire down. Trim off that little end. Grab our round nose pliers and roll the wire towards you to form your simple loop. Cut 2 lengths of 5 link chain. Open the link of chain and grab the little bar and attach, and then come back in and close the link. Second length of chain, open, pick up the other side. We're going to attach, and I need to make sure the loops are both facing the right way. Come back in and close your chain. Grabbing a 4mm jump ring. This is how you open and close a jump ring. We are going to open it, and I like to flip my earrings over, and we're going to connect both of the chain. Grab our ear wire and close our jump ring. And there you have it, how to create my sea and sand earrings. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Handcrafted USA. Follow us on Instagram at Handcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit handcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week handcraftcollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.